Cinnamon, well, it's lovely. It has so many properties, and it's been said since ancient times that it's used for passion, for love, to keep a relationship stable, and also for good fortune. Today, I'm gonna talk to you about different cinnamon recipes for abundance and to keep negative energies away. And a friend tells me that she has a lot of rosemary at home. How wonderful! I'll tell you right now everything you can do with rosemary. And, of course, the message from your angel. This and much more in a moment. Let's begin. How many times have you caught yourself blaming others for what happens to you? It wasn't me. They didn't tell me. That's not my responsibility. And then you ask yourself a magical question. Why aren't things going well for me? Why aren't things working out for me? Why? It's not the why, it's the what for. It's becoming aware that we are what we think. We are magnets. We are all magnets. And what we experience is for some specific reason. Maturation, learning, growth. The most important thing is to become aware that what I carry in my subconscious is projected. What I read, what I see, what I hear, my conversations, and my tremendous mental chatter. And my quote goes like this. It's not the external that limits us. It's ourselves with our way of thinking, feeling, and our deep-rooted beliefs. We are magnets. We attract exactly what we think and believe. Thank you very much for your messages, for your emails. And if you have any questions about the recipes or any questions at all, please send us an email at decello@mizadamohamed.com. Thank you for being part of our channel here on YouTube, which is growing more and more every day. Thank you. We invite you to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, hit the bell, and share it with your friends and family. As I always tell you, it's a channel made with great care, with total professionalism, and with all my love. And they are channels that are very much worth it. And look, on our website, you have a lot of information. There's the shop, so you can see everything we have in the store for you. Social media, Mizada Mohamed, including TikTok, all of them verified. And in just a little bit, I'm gonna give you some different little recipes to take note of. They're great for cinnamon, to push away the negative and attract good fortune. Cinnamon is said to have many properties, and I'll tell you about them in a moment. And of course, the message from your angel, so I invite you to have your question ready. And your angel diary, so you can take note of today's message. I'll start with the question that says, I have a lot of rosemary in my garden. Is there any recipe I can make to use it? Oh, my love, that's wonderful. Look. Rosemary has always been used for abundance and prosperity. It is said that a house, business, shop, or office that has rosemary will always have abundance, prosperity, and very good changes in its economy. Next time you're out on the street, any of you, look for shops, businesses, or houses full of rosemary. In those houses, negativity stays outside and only abundance enters. What recipes can you make with rosemary? Well, one of them is cooking with rosemary, which is a delight. It helps you. It tastes super delicious and adds great seasoning, especially to those big Italian meals. Spectacular. But rosemary, if you, for example, ask it for permission, you must always ask plants for permission to cut a little piece. You cut a little sprig of rosemary like this, and in a small glass of water or a tiny vase, you add water and put your rosemary in. And since you have a lot at home, put it in different areas of your house. If you only want to put one, put it in the food area. That is, in the breakfast nook, in the dining room, but very visible. Also, carrying a sprig of rosemary in your bag, in your billfold, in your wallet, makes it so money always comes into your life, stays, and multiplies. Rosemary also, if you put it under your pillow or next to your bed, helps you have premonitory dreams. Do you want to keep away bad energies and negativity, gossip, and hearsay? Carry a sprig of rosemary in a small red bag. In your bag, you can also put it in a small bag behind the doorknob of your house. If you mix rosemary with a cinnamon stick, well, what can I tell you, my dear? It's guaranteed. Abundance and prosperity. It helps so much, I repeat. It really catches my attention that there's always been envy or finger pointing or gossip, but a house that has rosemary inside and out, that is in the front, in the back, or inside your home, what it gives you is a lot of peace, a lot of serenity, because it's said that rosemary was used, since the dawn of history, to have it in the house so that energy would flow and there would be peace and quiet. How cool, how wonderful that you have so much rosemary in your home, because abundance and prosperity will surely always be with you. Cinnamon to attract good fortune and ward off the negative. Oh, it also helps us with love, with passion, and with romance. I'm going to give you different pieces of information on how you can use ground cinnamon and cinnamon sticks or quills or bark, however you know it, depending on the country. One of them is super easy. You're going to take your wallet, and I always tell you to use large wallets and only carry in your wallet your money, nice and clean, well organized, your IDs and your cards. Don't keep little scraps of paper or anything. This is a wallet, it's a billfold. We're gonna take some ground cinnamon. We take ground cinnamon and we're gonna put it inside our wallet. And we're gonna do it. It can be daily or once a week. And you can also put a little piece or a small cinnamon stick in it. And you carry it like that in your handbag. Gentlemen, the same. You can put a little piece of cinnamon in your wallet and ground cinnamon. Another great technique is in your shoes. Here are your shoes. Inside, you're gonna put a little bit of ground cinnamon. Inside, ground cinnamon, ground cinnamon. Besides the fact that it'll smell delicious, it'll help you open your channels. Wherever you step, you'll be stepping on abundance and prosperity. Another one of them is we're gonna take a cinnamon stick and we're gonna gently wrap it in a small bright red ribbon. We tie some good little knots. And we're gonna place it as close as possible to the entrance door of our home. In the business, in the office, and we hang it as close to the door as possible, of course, inside the house. What cinnamon does is ward off bad energies, bad vibrations, gossip, envy, low frequency, you know. How often do you change it? Whenever you decide. You feel when it's time. This can be every 6 months, every year, or you can leave them there for as long as you want. Another one of them, which I absolutely love and is great, is to take our cinnamon and we're gonna light it. We light the cinnamon, which smells delicious. And we're gonna slowly and carefully go with our lovely cinnamon, step by step, through all the different rooms of the house. Look, see how the smoke is? And you go through all the rooms of your house. You can help yourself by carefully bringing a lit candle to the side so you can relight your cinnamon. Pass it through. Start at the back of your house, towards the front, If it's 2 stories, you go up the stairs and again, from the back towards the front. And you go all the way around your house or your business or your office with cinnamon. With this, what you're doing is clearing spaces, cleaning the corners, negative energies, and stagnant energies. This one, honestly, is so practical that I use it in my home, on my travels, before a recording, before a conference, because it's important to maintain a positive frequency and a high frequency. Another one that I absolutely love is this one. Look, you're gonna take a white candle. If you have another color, then go ahead. I like to use white because the white candle goes for the 7 chakras, that is, the 7 energy points. But if you feel like a purple one, a blue one, a green one, go ahead. But the white one too, because it's purification. I'm gonna take ground cinnamon and I'm gonna put it inside the candle. Yes, here you're seeing, it goes inside the candle. What I'm gonna do now is light my candle, and every day I'm gonna light the candle. For a good while. As always, I ask and tell you, under supervision. Never leave lit candles unsupervised, and the same goes for incense. And these little tips, recipes, and more will help you ward off bad energies. It will help good fortune come into your life, because what you're doing is an energy cleansing. Cinnamon, if you research it, has always been used for love, for passion, and for high frequency, and the highest is love. So lots of cinnamon in your life, so there's good fortune, love, and plenty of abundance. Let's go straight to the message, word and sign from your angel. It's very simple, quite easy. Ask your question in a clear and direct way. Clear and direct. Have your notebook ready with today's date. After you've connected well with your question, take a moment to reflect, then decide thoughtfully what your answer will be. The tiger's eye? The citrine? Or the soda light? Which one calls to you? There is your answer. Let's see. If you chose the tiger's eye, what your guardian angel says. You've determined to overcome limitations, fears, and to listen to your heart and your intuition. That's the best thing you can do. Intuition and perception usually lead us by the hand to the right people and places. By having chosen the tiger's eye is a stone that is used for abundance, prosperity, money, professional life, and also knowing how to focus our emotions, our plans, our yearnings, our desires, so they don't move us from our center with negative comments when we've already made a decision, as is your case. It's time to make things happen. The citrine? Did you like the citrine? This beautiful, precious yellow stone, which is the stone of winners and successful people. Let's see what your guardian angel says. Changes, renewals, and transformations. Share with everyone who passes through your life everything you are, have, and know. It means knowledge. When we have knowledge, physical, mental, spiritual, what we learned, what we lived, and what our guides and teachers tell us, we must share it. Citrine, which is the stone of achievers, with the message from your angel who is telling you renewal, changes, and transformations. It's don't stay where you are if you know well that the door is open and it's time to move forward. With what you have in your mind, don't doubt your possibilities, and don't let anything or anyone make you doubt your possibilities. Your spiritual growth is going higher and higher. That means your intuition and your perception are clear in the decisions you must make. Many times, reason wins out and we set intuition aside. Think little, feel much, and act a lot. And soda light. Let's see what your guardian angel says with the soda light. It says this: before you start doubting your possibilities, take a moment to trust in the strength that you truly have within you. Evaluate your capacities for strength, power, and commitment. If what you're doing right now doesn't allow you to do something new or different, it's time to face what you're living, to close cycles and open new ones. Okay, they were very clear. And it's your turn. You chose soda light. Soda light goes here to the third eye. It's to chakra number 6, which gives you intuition, perception, and the ability to know which is the best path. You're facing new challenges, new trials, and challenges are always meant to be overcome. The falls or errors or mistakes. You're currently in a moment of not knowing if you open the door, close it, make the decision, or don't make it. Right now, you're very clear that you must do something about the change. That's what you're clear about. Changes are always for the better. And it's up to you to listen to your inner voice that tells you that your gifts live within you. It's not the external, it's the internal that makes your channels of abundance and prosperity open before you. Believe in yourself. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you. Well, thank you, truly. I feel very happy and very glad to be able to do what I love and to do it with this beautiful family that is my family, Muvik, so I can share it with each and every one of you. Because the idea is to always leave something along the way that can support and help others. I thank you all, because you motivate me to keep moving forward, doing what I love. It's about finding the peace, love, abundance, and prosperity that is, may it be for everyone. Muvik family, thank you so much. Thank you. Don't doubt your possibilities, and please stay away from dream thieves, from those energetic ticks. If you know who you are and what you want, go for it. I am Mizada Mohamed. I love you all, and I want to see you thrive. Thank you so much for joining us. Subscribe to the channel so you can stay up to date with all our recipes, tips, and many topics that we have for you. Much light, much peace, and much love.